Ever feel like your garage is one bad day away from turning into a storage disaster? I was in the same boat until these showed up.
Today we're checking out the Fleximounts 2-pack, 2 foot by 6 foot wall shelf garage storage racks. These shelves are designed to free up your floor space, organize your gear, and they look pretty slick while doing it.
This set comes with 2 shelves, each 24 inches deep by 72 inches wide. Made from heavy duty steel with a powder coated finish in black, the wired grid design means dust doesn't build up, and the triangular support brackets give it serious strength. According to Fleximounts, these shelves can hold up to 800 pounds in total. So I first remove all my clutter here out of the corner. You can see the way I had it mounted with these old shelves in the corner. It was all jammed up, just didn't look nice. Installation's a breeze with this template and provided level from Fleximounts. Just need a drill and a stud finder and you're good to go. They provide the lag screws as you see, and they just go onto each stud with these brackets. Super easy and straightforward. And the wire grids are just as easy. They snap right into place into the bracket, and look how nice it looks all connected. These Velcro straps are also supplied in the box for extra support, and with 6 feet across for each shelf, I can place all this equipment on top. I then installed a second set of shelves in this corner of my garage, and it goes up just as easy with a stud finder and a drill. I just love the way these mounts look. Definitely heavy duty. And as you can see, I separate the shelves in this section of my garage, and I still have plenty of space for my equipment. Once installed, you can store everything from detailing products to holiday decorations. Since they're wall mounted, you still have plenty of room underneath for workbenches, tool chests, or even parking your car. And because they're 6 feet wide, you get a lot of storage space without eating up your floor area.
If you're looking for a strong, easy to install solution to clean up your garage, these Fleximount shelves are a solid choice. I've linked them at the top of the description so you can check them out. Big thanks to Fleximounts for sending these over. Now my garage finally looks like a place I can actually work in. I'm David with Southside Detail. Let me know what you thought of the video, like and subscribe.